Going to announce the 40 seats. I think about 40 seats we should be enough to get more than 30 because the undercurrent is very strong for the Congress this time. If we give a good candidate, I have seen for example like in Mawplang. Yesterday we had a meeting in Mawplang. You see a very good response in Mawplang. Though the candidate is fresh and he resigned for his job, then fresh, but we have a very good response. You see in Soyong, when our very senior leader left us, we thought that we are nowhere. But day before day we had a meeting in Soyong. You see a very good response. So wherever we have a fresh candidate, for example like Nong Thmai, you see Nong Thmai, Bachal left, but that day we had a block meeting in Nong Thmai, very good response. So I think the response of the people, if we give them a qualified, good candidate, free from any corruptions, people will turn to the Congress this time. So our job now is to give the best whatever we have candidates. That's why we are very confident on Congress on its own. We should cross 30. Have a minimum qualification or a maximum qualification this time. But a qualification, it doesn't mean only what you pass. A qualification also means what you experience. Some of them are very experienced who work in the party also, and some of them who already work in different parties and join also. So I think we don't set a minimum qualification or a maximum, but definitely it's the first time if you see that the candidate will have the IITians who have been teaching in IIT. The first time we will have also 4-5 of our candidates who have done MBA in finance, MBA in HR and others. The first time you see we have also a doctorate from professor who left the job like a director of department or a joint director of department who left the job and joined the party. And even like Soyong, the superintendent of customs who left his job and joined the party. And so many engineers also who are contesting this time who left the job and joined the party. So a lot of enthusiasm in the party, it seems, wherever you go. Be in Gaur Hills, be in Khasi and Janta Hills.